An industry near Pune saved rupees 6 lakh within a month on their electricity bill. All it took was data analysis and timely alerts. Industrial electricity bills are complex. Apart from actual consumption, other factors like maximum demand and power factor also contribute to the total billed amount. As per our survey, 37% industries in Maharashtra are substantially overpaying for their electricity. In other words, every third industrial unit can save 20 to 50% in energy costs. A state-of-the-art industrial unit near Pune noticed substantial rise in their electricity costs earlier this year. After installing PowerBot, it was noticed that their power factor was around 0.97 for some days, while on others it dropped well below 0.8. The problem was tracked to frequent tripping of one of their control panels. Automated alerts helped them in dealing with the issue immediately and saved them rupees 6 lakh within a month. Eventually, a permanent solution was implemented to keep it at 0.97. PowerBot is now helping them to raise the power factor above 0.99 by doing advanced data analysis. We mainly work with industrial and commercial electricity consumers, and so far we have identified saving opportunities of rupees 50,000 or more for 400 consumers. We take a two-step approach to work with our clients. In the first phase, we monitor critical parameters of overall consumption and identify steps to reduce effective cost of electricity. Industrial consumers in Maharashtra should ideally be spending less than rupees 9 per unit of electricity. Anything above that indicates they are overpaying. The investments required in this phase typically pay back in less than a year. Once we optimize your per unit cost, then in the second phase, we start what we call continuous energy audit. Here, we analyze major energy consuming processes and identify opportunities for energy conservation. From here on, we track energy consumed per unit production and help you become more efficient over time. Investments in this stage typically pay back between 1 to 4 years. We have developed a special tool for electricity consumers in Maharashtra to analyze their electricity bills. Visit powerbot.in and estimate your saving opportunities today.